Finally, friends, so today will be a fun unboxing because it will be unboxing and a first try all in one. So watch out, it's all about Ellana. Okay, so I've used all their products in this first try, and I guess this multi-purpose color cream are their star product. Baligtad. Okay, these are their star products, and I am very happy with the shade choices. They're all universal, all easy to use, all can be used on eyes, cheeks, and lips, and you can multitask all these shades. You can do various colors or various looks. I did this very simple look as always, and what I can say is that I love the texture, I love the consistency, sobrang smooth, sobrang easy to use. But there's one thing about it using on the eye area, especially if you have very oily lids, medyo kailangan mo siyang iset. I actually set it with powder just to be sure because it's so creamy, it's not oily, it's creamy, so there is a tendency that the eyeliner will move and the mascara will move, so just have to be careful. Once you're done with the eyeshadow, set it with translucent powder. As for cheeks and lips, I love it, like super love it, super easy to use. You can use your fingers, you can use brushes, anything. It's just blends so easily, and of course I love it on my lips, as you can see, and I love the strawberry scrub. Like hindi siya exfoliating siya, but it leaves a very smooth hydrating thing on your lips. Perfect for lipstick application afterwards. As for this multi-purpose color cream to be used on lips, I love it because as you can see, no dry lips, and it's very hydrating and feels so lightweight. I love the feel. So kudos. And of course I've tried this makeup brush cleaner. I haven't used it a lot of times, but so far so good. Nakaka-remove siya ng makeup products on the brush. Just a few spritz. Sabi ko maiksi lang tong video. Meron na naman ako naiwan. So last na, this Flower Power setting spray smells so good. I don't know if it can really set or do something, or it can prolong the makeup, but we'll see, we'll try. So it smells so good, it's relaxing, it can double up as a facial mist. Okay na ako dun, but if it can hydrate my skin or prolong my blush or eyeshadow, why not? So thank you so much for watching, guys. These new products from Ellana are all available at Ellana store. You can search on them and purchase them online. As for me, they are really nice and really interesting to work with, and they're multitasking, so you know I love multitasking products. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my super quick and easy look. Have a wonderful day, guys. God bless.